Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. My name is Ryan, and today we're shooting my Bergara B14R carbon out to 100 yards, stretching it out for 2025. We're doing Eli's challenge, and today we're loaded up with some SK rifle match. Not too sure how this is going to go, but we're going to find out soon enough. I have the chronograph rolling right now. We have not much wind, maybe a 5-mile-an-hour crosswind from right to left. Weather is beautiful, nice and warm. So let's get to shooting. Let's see what we got here. And I'm using the new Discovery XED 6-36. It's about the same size as the 5-25, the ED, but has a few new options that we'll get into in another video. Jill is giving it kind of a shakedown test here, just trying it out, see how it does. So let's get to shooting. Sight or target. And we got 5 shots. A little high and a little bit left, but that could be because of the wind. Not looking very good. And last practice shot. Not looking too good. But let's get right to the target and let's get shooting here. Come on, miracle. It's not too bad. Done way better, but we're not going to complain about that. And last target for 5. Here we go. Wow. Not sure what happened there. Well, that's not very good. Not very pleased with that at all. Yeah, that's terrible. One thing I got to show you guys too. I thought this was 1 inch. Like, I don't know if my printer is off scale or something, but so it's 0.9. So if we go full inch, which is right there, that's how much off my target is. So I'll just leave this here, so when I score it with my app, then we'll be perfect. So I'll do that now. So here's our target. On the group we first counted was 0.726 inch or 0.693 MOA. Second group, which had one terrible flyer there, and it ended up being 1.365 or 1.304 MOA. That's our target. I shot a few more groups down here, which are a lot smaller. Let's see here. Loosen this up. So just, we're not using the app, but overall, biggest part of the group, I would say, that's probably this one here. So 1.250. So 1.25, and this is a nice small one here. And this is the biggest stretch of them. So this will be where we measure from. So about there, which is 8.83, 8.830. Then you take away 22. That's a pretty good group. It's 0.6. Not bad. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little short video. We'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.